Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView Strategy Tester. First, locate the Strategy Tester panel at the bottom of your chart. This powerful tool allows you to backtest trading strategies against historical data. You can choose from many built-in strategies or import your own custom Pine script. Remember to set your initial capital, order size, and the specific date range for your test. Once your strategy runs, the strategy tester provides crucial performance metrics. Pay close attention to net profit, which shows your total gains, and the profit factor, indicating profitability per unit of risk. Also, assess drawdown to understand potential losses and the Sharpe ratio for risk-adjusted returns. These numbers offer a clear picture of your strategy's historical effectiveness. Optimizing your strategy involves fine-tuning its parameters to enhance performance. Experiment with different input values to discover the most robust settings. TradingView's deep backtesting feature allows you to test over a longer historical period, providing more confidence. However, be cautious of over-optimization. Always validate your optimized strategy on data it hasn't seen before to ensure real-world viability. After reviewing the results, determine if the strategy aligns with your trading goals and risk appetite. If the backtest looks promising, consider paper trading it for a period, or even deploying it with a very small live account. Remember, past performance does not guarantee future results. Continuously monitor your strategy and be prepared to adapt it as market conditions evolve, ensuring its long-term effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.